We are now taking you live to a news conference with the Health Minister, Greg Hunt. He is providing a national COVID update.
And to be able to support this, in addition to what we're doing with the over $600 million a year for the Medical Research Future Fund, is to see research driving solutions to problems in Australia. In relation to COVID-19 and the vaccine rollout, as I mentioned, 23 million doses have now been delivered in Australia, but we're moving to an additional channel, and that is workplace vaccinations. So today, Operation COVID Shield has opened up workplace vaccinations through what's called a request for tender, a request for applications, and that will now be open on a continuous basis from now until December, and it's looking to have the first of those vaccinations occur in the coming weeks in the first half of October. And so this is an important step forward. It's a request inviting applications, and Operation COVID Shield will move continuously through assessing those and commencing in the coming weeks. In terms of the rollout, importantly, we've had 276,000 vaccinations in the last 24 hours. That's an increase of 17,000 on last Monday. So in 1 week, day to day, an increase of 17,000. And so very important momentum. Over 7.4 million vaccinations in the last 28 days. Over 7.4 million vaccinations in the last 28 days. Very significantly, and in many ways, one of the most important figures is we've reached 68.5% of first doses, or more than 14.1 million Australians who've come forward to be vaccinated. What that means is there's less than 400,000 Australians who need to come forward this week to put us beyond the 70% first dose rate. And we know that second doses follow the first doses. And so that's an incredibly important milestone. Less than 400,000 Australians needed to reach the 70% first dose mark. And our hope and our expectation is that we'll do that by Saturday, if not earlier. So a critical thing. But to all those Australians, the doses are coming in. We're seeing the arrival of additional doses. Another shipment has arrived overnight from the UK. All of these are coming together, and they're being distributed, and that's about saving lives and protecting lives. One of the critical things that's happened is that we have now opened the 12 to 15-year-old age group, and I understand there's some very good news on that front. So on that, I'll turn to Professor Alison McMillan, the Chief Nursing and Midwifery Officer for Australia.